Welcome to Foraging and Cooking with Kids. Today we're talking about horse chestnut. To start correctly, let me tell you from the beginning on, they are not edible. The cultivated chestnuts or the wild sweet chestnuts, they are edible, but the horse chestnuts, they are not. This nut belongs to the soapberry family, and this is what I will teach my kids today. The tree grows up to 75 feet tall when it's full grown. And it has those cool spiky green cases where the seeds are in. The leaves are palmate, what means it has several lobes, with 5 to 7 toothed leaflets. It is also a medicine. Historical and still in use by some people is the horse chestnut seed extract, what is used by leg cramps, joint pain, and lower blood sugar. But we are making today laundry detergent out of it. But that's not all. Kids love to collect things from the floor, and that's number one. And number two, I promised them that I will make figurines with them out of the chestnuts and whatever else they find. Oh, perfect. It's a hedgehog.
Where's its mouth?
Now to the laundry soap. We take 5 till 10 chestnuts and cut them in little pieces. You can peel them, but you don't have to. If you want to make laundry soap for later use as well, you peel them, you dry them, and you crunch them up in a food processor. After you cut them all up, you add around 500 milliliters of water. If you use hot water, you let it sit for 5 hours and your soap is done. If you use cold water, you let it sit for 24 hours and you have laundry detergent. Please keep in mind that this is laundry detergent out of nature and not from the store. It is not super foamy and super aggressive. It is soft, it smells very slightly lightly fresh, and if you want it fresher, you can put some essential oils within it. It takes the dirt out of your laundry, maybe not the rough spots from soccer or something like that, but it does the job. And the best of all, it is good for our environment. No trash and no chemicals. And I got it all clean. Have fun with your kids trying out those figurines and see if you like the horse chestnut laundry soap. We hope you enjoy our videos. If you do, please subscribe. Till then, stay healthy and happy, and see you next time with Foraging and Cooking with Kids.